QSSI and its family of brands presents the series of linear architectural area lights. The family of linear area lights offers post-top LED luminaires with a contemporary look for a variety of commercial projects. The linear series offers 1, 2, and 4 foot lengths mounted perpendicular or parallel to the lighted area. The adjustable slip fitter allows the fixture to be tilted from horizontal to 90 degrees. Post-top spoke mounts are available in configurations with 1, 2, 3, or up to 4 fixtures. With a range of 22 to 136 watts, providing 2,800 to 20,000 lumens in 3 different sizes, the linear series can meet light level requirements for any type of project for pole heights from 12 to 20 feet. In the linear series, QSSI and its brands offers IES Type 5 and 4K and 5K CCT with your choice of clear or opal polycarbonate lenses. Long life is enhanced using internal die-cast heat sinks. The housing is of heavy die-cast aluminum utilizing nickel-plated stainless steel hardware. The linear area light family provides linear architectural contemporary style for your retail, institutional, and commercial lighting projects. QSSI and its family of brands thanks you for watching. Visit us on the web for more information.